YouTube, and today's episode is going to be Wealthsimple trading for Canadians. Now, Wealthsimple is the first platform that we can do online trading with our smartphone that doesn't cost us anything in terms of commissions. Now, the equivalent in America would be Robinhood and Webull. They have come up with an Acorn. They've come up with a lot of these online trading brokerages for free. You can do trading commissions. Now, Canada, we haven't had anything until Wealthsimple in the last 2 years has opened up and has allowed Canadians to have this platform where we can do online trading for no fees. So far, we just have one. We do have Questrade that has an online platform, but they charge fees, and they're a full leverage platform. The only thing about Wealthsimple compared to Robinhood is that you can't buy anything on margins, and there is a limitation on the stocks that you can buy. But if you go with Questrade, you'll have the full access to all of the trades. I don't believe they do broke. So with Questrade, it allows you to pick all the stocks that are out there. But with Wealthsimple, it'll allow you to get in the market for free. And if you click on the link down below and start the process, then you can get a free $10 funding to your account to buy stocks and get started with buying stocks. Now, you must be aware that the stock market is different than the economy. While the economy is going in a downward spiral because of the virus and the lockdown, yet the stock market is going in an upward trend. Even though it dipped down to 30%, it's gone right back up within the last few weeks, back up to where it was before March 2020. So if you invested in March 2020, you would have had a 30% return on your funds in just over 6 months. So this is why it's important that we should get into stock trading. Even if you know a little about stock trading, it doesn't cost you to go on Wealthsimple trading platform and put $1 into it so you can get exposed to stock trading. Because this is one of the secrets of the rich, that they have an army, as Kevin O'Leary would say. I have an army of single dollar bills, and when I send them out, I expect them to bring back a prisoner. So the same thing with stock trading. You go and you put in $20 and you expect a return on your money. And also it's easily liquidable than compared to real estate, where you have to sell and wait for someone to bid on the house, buy it, and then wait for the transaction to come through. That could take 3-4 months. But with stock trading, you could put the money in the account and get the money back within a week. With Questrade, it can be 3-4 days, a little bit early. But at least if you have $100,000 in Wealthsimple stock brokerage account or Questrade, you can get access to those funds within a couple of days, as compared to real estate, which is locked in. If you have a mortgage for 5 years, if you're trying to even sell, the whole process takes 3-4 months. This will allow you to have your money invested in a vehicle and make passive income, which I would like for you to get into dividend stock investing, which when you buy a portion of a company, they give you money back for investing with them. That money that you get back for investing with them is called the dividend. So with my portfolio, I do mostly dividend stock investment. So if you put at least $10,000 into your stock portfolio, you'll get a few dollars back every month. If you put $100,000, you may get $200 back. If you put $1 million in, you will get a passive income from $2,000 to $4,000 per month where you don't have to work. That $2,000 to $4,000 is what people make full time in Canada. So as you can see, at a certain point, the dividend that you get back from all these companies can support your leisure living. Some people, if you live in a third world country and you have $2,000 to $3,000, $4,000 passively you're getting every month, you can live in those countries very well. All you have to do is just set it in the brokerage account, and every month you withdraw whatever you need. So as you can see, stock trading, because it's online, will allow you to be mobile around the world. So you can always withdraw and have it linked to your bank card. So you could be around the world and have access to your funds. So you're not tied down to your property in Canada. You could be living in any part of the world, still getting the residual income, and still living well below your means. Especially in a country where the average income is $1 to $2 US per day, and you are passively receiving $1,000 to $2,000, $3,000, $4,000 from your brokerage account. You can live very well. Now, the reason we need to get into stock trading right now is because the government is throwing free money at us right now. So if you're getting that extra $2,000 every month, now is the time to get into stock trading. Put, 10-20% of that income and just let it grow. Kevin O'Leary has said that if you invested $100, I believe he said a month or a week, you would be a millionaire by the time you retire. So if you set up your system right now while the government is throwing free money at you, the $2,000 coming from CERB, then you put that $200 into the brokerage account, and by the time you become a millionaire, in the next 20, 30, 40 years, you will become a millionaire depending how aggressive you are. Obviously, the more that you put into your account, the bigger it grows. Now, if you want to open up the brokerage account, you're going to have to look at my comment link below. If you look on this video, I have the link below. And when you click on the Wealthsimple Trade link, you will get $10, and then I will also get something. So we both win. And remember, it is free to do this. It won't cost you anything to get into stock trading. You could put as little as $1. Now, you don't need a minimum balance account. You can have as little as $1. And you can trade most common stocks. But as Wealthsimple gets bigger and bigger, I'm sure they will add more stocks. They just added Bitcoin to their stock inventory a few weeks ago. And you can use your tax-free savings account. From all the money that you make, you won't be taxed. So for people that have been, right now, it's around 70,000. Because tax-free savings account, I think it's been here for at least a decade. So I guess the room now, depending on your income, it can range from 70, 50 to 100,000. You can invest that into Wealthsimple trading for free. And then the commissions on selling it is for free. And the taxes that you get on the money that you make from it will be for free if you put it in a tax-free savings account brokerage. So you're making a lot of savings for free, and it doesn't cost you anything. Unless your stock goes down in value. That is where you would lose money. So if you would like to know what stocks that I have in my account, sign on to my Patreon page. I have the link down below. Click on my Patreon page. Send me a message, and I will give you a full list of my stock picks that I have in my portfolio that I've done dividend investing. And most of those stocks are dividend investing, which will give you a residual income. So the more that you put in, the more that you will get back from these companies. And if you put in enough, like $1 million or more, then you can actually get a income to live off of. And if you move to another country, as I stated before, you can live very well. Now, if you can sign up with Questrade, but Questrade will charge you fees on buying stocks. And some stocks will charge you more fees. And then they charge you an inactivity fees if you don't do any trades for a year. And then also, they want you to put $1,000 or more for your initial deposit into your Questrade account. And then there's also a minimum balance that you have to upkeep. That is why with Wealthsimple trading, you can avoid all of that barrier to get into stock trading for free. Now, if you want to go to Questrade, the reason why you would want to go to Questrade is because they have all the stocks. They may allow margin calling. They have other brokerage accounts that you can trade with securities, and they allow Forex trading, which is not allowed on Wealthsimple trading yet. They also allow a lot of Bitcoin trading, which was just added on to Wealthsimple trading. So there are restrictions with Wealthsimple trading. But for the most consumers, Wealthsimple trading will be enough for you. And it's made it easily for you to go on your smartphone and keep track of your trading. Questrade has just made an online platform. Wealthsimple trading, their platform is only online with your smartphone. So you can be around the world getting access to your trading. So guys, take advantage of this opportunity with this online stock brokerage firm. Click on the link below, sign up, and I'll get something, you get something. It's a win-win scenario. And if you'd like to know more about stock trading and my picks, then click on the link below for my Patreon link, and you will get my full list. And I will have a video of all of my stock picks for Canadian stocks and American stocks. There are some American stocks that are available on Wealthsimple Trading. If they're not available there, then they would be on Questrade. Questrade has a more comprehensive list. Well guys, this is William from YouTube. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Thank you, and bye-bye.